So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be about, or is a tour of my bedside nursery, or my room with just the baby bed beside, you know, my bed, but with a few items here and there about the room for the baby. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you what it looked like before, so you can see, you know, the whole transformation. So I'm doing a complete room makeover. I'm doing a bedside nursery. So this is how it looks now, and then we're gonna do a total transformation. It's a pretty small room, but we're going to try our best to make it look bigger. And up here, oops, up here we go. So yeah, so today I'm basically going to paint my room slash nursery. So it's in pink now, and I'm gonna make it all white. So I wish I had got some content in terms of how I cleared out everything, but general it's but I don't know, sometimes I just get up and I just do things and like not forget that I'm trying to make a life out of all of this. So yeah, so I'm gonna use my Pinto tape and go around like all the corners and stuff and block off there, and maybe use some for the mirrors. I'm not sure for the mirrors. So I mean for the windows, sorry. And then I'm gonna have to take this TV down, obviously, and get ready to paint. That's the dress that I was in here yesterday, and we had to move that as well. I decided, let me get the camera properly because I'm using my hand. So right, I decided to, it was during my nesting phase while I was pregnant that I decided to do this video, because I just wanted like a new place, you know, a welcoming environment, a welcoming place for the baby, you know, so she could be comfortable, just something new, you know what I mean? Like, and it also made me feel just really good being in a new space, just like a new, it's like a newness, you know, and refreshed and just kind of ready to work as a mommy. Especially being in this room. So well, let us get started. Okay, so you enter the room and you see this, right? This door now is where I just have like my quickly go to items. So right here you have all the books and toys, and I have this, the case that the camera came in. You're gonna see this on the bed later. And then I have here all the bath like things. So that's the soap, lotion, you know, powder and Vaseline and the Aquaphor and all those things, even though I don't really use the Aquaphor anymore. I'm gonna give a review on these items as well too, so look out for that. I have Pampers and wipes here, and then here I have her medicine kit right here, and you know, a few bottles right here that she is not having at all. And then down here I have my breastfeeding stuff, so my breast milk bags, my nipple cream, my, what do you call this now, breast warmers, and my breast pump and my breast pads in here. And yeah, this door now was supposed to be painted blue. I started painting it blue, but then if you can see the back right here, but what happened was I could not manage, well, I could manage the smell, but because I was pregnant I never wanted to risk it with the baby, right? So now you have the humidifier here because it's pretty hot where I am. Not pretty hot, pretty yeah, it's pretty hot, and sometimes when I use the AC it's good to turn on the humidifier because, you know, you want to keep the air moist, nonetheless, for the baby. Over here you have the bedside table. This is the lamp, night lamp that we turn on in the night, obviously. And my mom put this picture of her and my father here. She said that the baby Ocean needs to grow up knowing her grandparents. And then I have this right here, this sick day prep kit from Frida Baby that I got as a gift. And I also put my water on this side table because in the nighttime you get super hungry. You know, I breastfeed straight through, so I have to have my water. And then now in this little thing right here you have diapers, more diapers. So I have diapers all over the place, because not really all over the place, but in different areas in the room, because you know I don't want to, oh my god, I missed my arm a while ago. I forgot to block out that. I have diapers at different areas in the room because I just want to, you know, be able to just find them and just kind of have them at my fingertips. This is my bed that my mom spread, so big up to my mom. And this right here is her lounger. So she sleeps beside me once her father isn't here, or you know, she will still sleep with me or us once he is here. And she's certainly gonna outgrow this. And how you know I'm a Jamaican mom is, of course, you have to have the Bible there, you know what I mean, on the camera here. So when I work, I can see her through that little camera right there. Then now, yeah, you know, you have the dresser right here with my things, and you have the TV. Yeah, we don't really watch TV in the bedroom anymore. And over here now you have her little area. So you have this thing right here that my mom bought for her head, so when she starts to creep or walk and she falls, she doesn't hit her head. And then you have her socks right here, her hats, and her little head ties, and her, what do you call them here now? What do you call this again? Her dribbler, right? And then you have, you know, her drawer right here. Yeah, peep as to how a lot of her clothes aren't in here, but we try to do this very organized. Hold on. Right, we try to be very organized when we're having the baby's clothes, because I don't want her stuff all over the place. So, right, this is supposed to come right here. And so these are the newborn stuff, and then this is the 3 to 6 months stuff right here. And then below that you have the 6 to 9 months clothes, and down here you just have some what do you call this now, some blankets, receivers, some swaddles and things like that. So I don't have any 9 to 1 year clothes yet, because I'm not gonna buy that just yet, you know. I don't want to pack up the area with like many stuff, although when we have her room, like when she's 1 or so when we get her room now, when we start to get ready for her room, then I'll buy those items. I know this is where she sleeps sometimes, less times really. So she sleeps over here in this little playpen or crib, as you may call it. So you can't forget the mosquito net, because we live in the country, even though it's everywhere, so we have to protect her at night, and she's very sensitive to everything, to breeze, for little bites, for everything. But she doesn't really fuss over things like that, so you have to pull it. And you see here, so this has no bedspread on it, but it has the blankets under there, because this is where she well, she's not sleeping here, so that's why there's no sheet on the bed. This right here is the changing area, and I don't change her on here because it's too low for my back. So I have this waterproof thing that I put on the bed and change her. I'm gonna show you a picture of that shortly, or send a link to it in the description so you can see. And then this now is just all of her bathing necessities. So you have the Pampers here, more Pampers. You have her rags here, and more rags, and of course wipes. And you have all of her aftercare stuff, so the Desitin, the lotion. Oh, you have soap here as well too. And then, you know, alcohol and baking soda, because I put baking soda in the water that I bathe her in. And more under here, you have the Desitin and the we call this now, more wipes, the sheets for her bed, and just little things like her brush and nail clip and comb and all of that. And then on the hair now is when I change her, I put her dirty clothes in this, and you know, that's where we wash it. So yeah, so right, so this is my room now, my bedside nursery. And let me know in the comments if you see anything that I should add, even though obviously it's a very small space, but so far I don't think I need anything else, but I'm always open to suggestions. In the night time when I'm here, I don't need to leave the room unless it's to wash my hands, my face, unless it's to wash my hands or like get more water or something, you know. But it's pretty convenient in here, and it's pretty convenient where she sleeps, like right on the bed beside me, so I can just like roll over and feed her, because I breastfeed strictly, breast milk strictly rather, well, breastfeed because she's not taking the bottle at all. Yeah, so it's a pretty small room as I mentioned, I think, but it's pretty convenient. I'm also never in here during the days. You know, I'm probably in my office or we're in the living room. It's only in the nighttime when we come inside here. But I love the color coordination. I wanted it to be blue. So this is now this dresser was brown. I'm gonna show you. And then I love the color coordination with the blue. You can't really see it properly here now, but blue and the share, and same thing over there with the matching pink sheets and the black and white to go with the tile, like a style, you know. So, and then I wanted to paint the door blue as well, but as I mentioned, I could not. Well, I never wanted to risk it, but this little thing right here is what I painted, and I'm gonna show you a little video of that. I was nesting because I also painted the room. I painted a lot of, so the white, I painted a lot of the room as well too. During 9th month of pregnancy, so technically, yeah, you're pregnant for 40 weeks, which is 10 months. So I think about 3 weeks or 2 weeks before I was due, I was kind of scrambling along with my mom to just kind of get the place ready for Ocean. I really liked how it turned out, and I can't complain. It's also very hot. It's hot, so that's one of the reasons why we don't stay in here as well too. And we do have an AC, however it causes congestion for the baby, so we don't use it as much, only when it's like completely necessary. So let me know if you think I need anything else or I need to add anything else. I'm pretty comfortable. And let me know too, for all the new mummies, what it's like, you know, in your bedside nursery if you have one. And tag me as well too, so I can watch it and so we can all share and like build a whole community together. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Remember to like, share and subscribe to see more videos like this.